When did versatility become so complex? More inventory, more incompatibility, less flexibility, less control. That's what complexity does. It takes our power by providing options instead of solutions. That's why we've forged a simpler path to versatile, precise embolization. Introducing the EMBOLD Detachable Coil System. Just 3 coils for any case. The EMBOLD Fibered Coil for best-in-class thrombogenicity. The EMBOLD Packing Coil for high-density packing. And the EMBOLD Soft Coil for distal tortuous anatomy. Featuring the highest metal volume of any 021 ID compatible platform. Each with multi-catheter compatibility for complete flexibility. Nitinol delivery system for kinkless performance. And handle-free detachment to reduce procedure steps and cost. Tackle any anatomy while streamlining workflow and inventory. This is simple by design. This is EMBOLD.